Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add your speaker Amazon Echo Spot to the application. You have to start by open the application. Oh, and make sure that your speaker is connected to the power. Right here, and that you have this on your screen. Now click plus at the right top, device, Amazon Echo, yes, and click on your device. Then click continue, skip, continue. Now select which room you use. It could be bedroom for me, then continue. Now choose the clock display. I prefer this one. So click continue, continue, enable, and let's go. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!